Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee drinks updated. Start by selecting fresh whole beans and grind them to match your brew method for the best flavor. Measure coffee and water precisely, use clean equipment, and control water temperature and timing to avoid bitterness. Finish with milk, foam, or syrup to create lattes, cappuccinos, or cold brews that suit your taste. Taste and adjust each time for consistent results. Dialing an espresso requires small, steady changes and attention to detail at the machine. Start with a clean portafilter and 18 to 20 grams of fine coffee, tamp evenly, and preheat your equipment. Aim for 25 to 30-second shot and evaluate taste, color, and texture. Adjust grind finer for sourness and coarser for bitterness. Keep notes so you can replicate the best results reliably. Milk steaming and texturing are where drinks become memorable, and practice makes perfect. Heat milk to about 60 to 65 degrees Celsius and introduce air gently for microfoam, then whirl to polish the texture. Use pitcher angle and wrist control to pour steady designs, and adjust milk ratios for stronger or milder drinks. Clean steam wands after each use to maintain flavor and extend equipment life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.